With the rapid development of Spout stand-up pouch, various non-food industries, such as the cleaning product and motor oil industry, have gradually adopted this type of packaging. The most common presentation is the 1.5-liter stand-up pouch style, often equipped with an easy-take handle. In this essay, we will analyze the advantages and disadvantages of two types of handles commonly used in this packaging. The first type of handle is the punched handle, which is a traditional handle punched by a customized mold and assembled on the pouch-making machine. Its advantage is that it does not add any extra cost to the Spout stand-up pouch. However, it can only withstand a maximum weight of 3 kilograms, and the stress points of this handle are concentrated. This can lead to hand fatigue if the Spout stand-up pouch needs to be carried for an extended period of time. The second type of handle is the injection handle, which is a newer style handle made by an injection machine and manually embedded inside the punched hole. Its advantage is that it is sturdy and provides a perfect hand feeling, as the stress points are dispersed. However, it significantly increases the cost of the corner Spout pouch. In my experience, I would recommend the second handle. This recommendation is not based on any technical reasons, but rather on the preference of my wife and daughter. They have expressed a liking for and have often selected this kind of handle when purchasing liquid detergent from the supermarket. In conclusion, both types of handles have their own advantages and disadvantages. While the punched handle is cost-effective, it may lead to hand fatigue, especially when carrying heavier loads. On the other hand, the injection handle provides a more comfortable grip but comes with a higher cost. Ultimately, the choice of handle will depend on the specific needs and preferences of the consumers and the industry.